Nanjing salted duck, Yanshui Ya. A delicious Chinese, Jiangsu Huiyang, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 3 hours, plus 24 to 48 hours curing time. And cooking takes around 1 hour. Here is what you'll need. 4 to 5 pounds whole duck, a half cup sea salt, 2 tablespoons Sichuan peppercorns, a half teaspoon sand ginger, 8 to 10 cups water, 3 pieces star anise, 3 slices ginger, 3 stalks scallions, 1 piece cassia cinnamon bark, 2 pieces bay leaves. Step 1. Thoroughly wash the duck inside and out. Pat it extremely dry with paper towels. A dry duck absorbs the salt rub much more effectively. Step 2. In a dry wok or skillet over medium-low heat, toast the sea salt and Sichuan peppercorns. Stir constantly for 5 to 8 minutes until the salt turns slightly yellow and the peppercorns become highly aromatic. Mix in the sand ginger at the last second. Step 3. While the salt is still warm, but safe to touch, rub it vigorously all over the duck, including the cavity. Massage the salt into the skin to ensure deep penetration. Step 4. Place the duck in a large airtight container or a heavy-duty Ziploc bag. Refrigerate and let it cure for 12 to 24 hours. This firms the meat and develops the base flavor. Step 5. Prepare the brine by boiling the water with the star anise, ginger, scallions, cinnamon, bay leaves, and Shaoxing wine. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, then allow it to cool completely to room temperature. Step 6. Submerge the cured duck into the cooled brine. Place a weight, like a heavy plate, on top to keep it under the liquid. Brine in the refrigerator for another 12 to 24 hours. Step 7. Remove the duck from the brine and rinse briefly under cold water to remove excess surface salt and spices. Let it air dry for 1 hour. Step 8. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, enough to cover the duck. Add the poaching liquid aromatics, ginger, scallions, star anise. Keep the water at a shrimp pie simmer, barely bubbling, rather than a rolling boil. Step 9. Lower the duck into the water. Poach for 20 minutes, keeping the temperature around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 85 degrees Celsius. Turn the heat off, cover the pot tightly, and let the duck steep in the residual heat for another 20 to 30 minutes. Step 10. Check for doneness by piercing the thickest part of the thigh. The juices should run clear. Remove the duck and immediately plunge it into an ice bath for 2 minutes to tighten the skin. Step 11. Hang or rest the duck in a cool, ventilated place to dry and cool completely. The flavor improves as it rests. Step 12. Once cooled, chop the duck into bite-sized pieces, bone in, using a sharp cleaver. Arrange on a platter and serve at room temperature. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.